Let's turn off the threshold preview for a moment while we talk about the Layer Manager panel. The Layer Manager panel now shows all the image layers that are available. Images are grouped based on image size, spacing, and origin. We can toggle visibility for groups or for individual layers, and we can reorder groups and layers as well. Layers and groups that are on the top of the stack are the ones that are shown in the viewer panels. Turning off visibility for layers on top allows layers further down to be seen. Reducing the opacity for layers on top allows the next visible layer down to be seen as well. If we click on this button, we can toggle the visibility for a group, or we can drag an entire group above. Now let's turn off the visibility for the skull layer. Drag the brain layer up to the top by holding down Shift. Turn off visibility for brain corrected. Open the opacity menu and drag the slider. If you take it all the way to 0, you will see the CT layer underneath, and somewhere in the middle produces a blending of the two layers. Most filtering, thresholding, and painting operations take effect on the currently selected or active layer. This layer is highlighted in blue in the Layer Manager panel. To change the active layer, simply click on the layer you want to be active in the Layer Manager panel. Note that if a layer's visibility is turned off, it cannot be painted on or filtered, even if it's active. If you find Seg 3D is not responding as you expect, always check the visibility of the active layer. When you mouse over the viewer panels, the data value at the current mouse location of the active layer will appear in the status bar. As we mouse over the MRI image, for instance, notice that the white matter values are around 300, ventricles are around 100, outer air is closer to 0. If we mouse over a mask layer, you'll see that the inner surface is 1 and the outer area is 0.